Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to bake an English classic dessert recipe, apple pie. The spiced apples along with the flaky pie crust makes the apple pie super delicious. This can be served warm or cold. So let us see how to bake this apple pie. For that, I've taken 250 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Into that, we'll add half teaspoon of salt, 125 grams of chilled butter cut into pieces. Rub it with our fingers, rub the butter into the flour. So the flour is coated with butter and you need not make it into a fine powder consistency. Just mix it well. Add in half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 75 grams of sugar. Here I have used sugar powder and mix the sugar powder lightly into the flour. Make a small well in the center and add 2 tablespoons of chilled water. Mix in the dough lightly. The dough should not be kneaded hard. Just mix in and make a dough out of it. Bring the dough together and make a ball like this. Now we'll divide the dough into two parts, a bigger one and a smaller one. Bigger one we'll use for the bottom layer and the smaller one for the upper crust. Cover the dough in cling film and refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let us make the filling. For that I have taken 3 medium-sized apples peeled and chopped, and into that we'll add lemon juice from half a lemon and mix it. Into this we'll add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Nutmeg powder can also be added. Then we'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar into this. You can check the sweetness and add more if required. Then we'll add 50 grams of biscuit crumbs or cake crumbs can also be used. Here I have taken Parle-G biscuits and 2 teaspoons of melted butter or ghee. Mix well and keep it aside. Here I have taken 8-inch pie dish. Grease it well and now we'll roll out the chilled pie dough. Roll out carefully. It might slightly crack on the sides, but you can just bring it together, or you can even cover it with a cling film and roll it out. Now we'll transfer this into the pie dish. So glad to know that many of you are trying out the recipes and are liking it. Thank you all for the support. It really means a lot. Press the dough into the pie dish to cover the bottom and the sides. If you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Now it is ready. Now we'll prick the dough using a fork so that it doesn't puff up while baking. At this time, the pie can be baked without the filling for 10 to 15 minutes to make it crispier. It's quite optional. Let us make the top layer also. Today I am making a lattice pie top. Let us fill in the pie dish with the filling, apple filling. Spread it evenly and cover it with the dough strips so that if one strip is under, the other should be over. Like that we have to arrange it. Making a pie is super easy. We can make it very fast with whatever ingredients available at home. So please do try the recipe and give your feedback. We'll arrange the dough strips like this and make a lattice pie crust. Our lattice pie crust is ready. I'll make some more decorations on top of it. Roll out the extra dough and cut out leaves like this. If you have leaf stamps, you can use that and make leaves for the decoration. Remove the cut leaves and shape it like this. We'll repeat this for all the leaves. We'll roll out the leftover dough and make three simple roses. For that, we'll roll out 5 petals, small rounds like this, and arrange it one over the other. Cut this into half. And roll it to rose flowers. Just roll it like this. To make a rose flower. It's so easy. In the same way, we'll make 2 more flowers. Now let us arrange the flowers and the leaves on the pie crust. I'm just making a simple decoration. You can make your elaborate decoration with your imagination. Doesn't this look beautiful? So please try it out. Let us brush some egg wash or milk wash and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or till the crust becomes golden brown. The pie is beautifully baked. The crispy and flavorful pie is ready. Please try the recipe and give your feedback. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.